Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Peacock subscription and start watching your favorite shows, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your account quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the official Peacock website. Make sure you're on the correct domain to access all streaming features. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button located on the home page. This will direct you to the subscription plans page. Step 3. Choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Peacock offers both free and premium tiers with different content libraries. Step 4. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your information. Step 5. Fill in your payment information, including credit card details, or choose an alternative payment method if available. Step 6. Review your subscription details and confirm your purchase by clicking the Subscribe or Complete Purchase button. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock. This email will contain important information about your subscription. Step 8. Return to the Peacock website or download the Peacock app on your device. Log in with your new credentials and start enjoying unlimited streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.